Hi, this is Paul Bieber with Synergy Innovative Systems. This video is to describe how the website integration works with Command. So I have a contact brought up here. This happens to be a facility contact. And you can see that there's a web user tab. On the website, snga.thetcar.com, the Aliante Golf Club has a login with the username of AlianteGC. Now if we come over to that website, this is snga.tcar.com, you can see I've got a username of AlianteGC, which matches this username here. And I can log in, and that screen and the login process is generated by Command. So Command is doing the user login and verification, and then passing information back to the website. That can work in a couple of different ways. You can have your website use the Command website integration API and just use it to verify username and password, and the Command API will pass your website back a bunch of information that gives you some information about who the person is, what rights they have, things like that. Just to take a quick look at the website integration information on the Command side. So this is the website integration administration screen. You can see here is the snga.thetcar.com website that's set up. You can actually manage multiple websites from Command, or integrate with multiple websites from Command. And I have a test one created here just so that you can see some of the information that goes to it. Website name, it's whatever you want to be in there. The website type, we only have one type defined right now, Drupal 7, and that just gives an indication into the when API calls are happening, how certain behaviors should happen. What the URL of the website is, what the API URL is. So on the website side, Command actually has to do some calls to your website. So your programmer has to set up some type of a receiver or an API that will receive those requests and do something with them. This is the username and password that was set up. That username and password will be sent to your website so that it can verify that it is indeed your version of Command that is calling it and has rights to do that. Push to client website, load jQuery, those are things that are specific to the Drupal 7 integration. And then down here, there is also a certain amount of messaging capability. So it can be set up so that when a user gets created, they're sent a message, and this text would be what's in the message that gets sent to them. There's also some e-commerce capability, which we're not going to get into in this video. So your website can pull this e-commerce confirmation text that would get sent whenever somebody places an order, as well as gift certificate redemption and e-commerce receipt text. So those are things that your website can use to send out appropriate messages using the Command messaging system to whoever is one of the users on your website. Thanks very much, and I hope this video was helpful.